You have a very specific offer in mind, an exact flow, your exact fields, your exact wording, and every template you've tried fights you on it. With Vyroq funnels, build it your way from nothing. Head to Funnels, hit Create Funnel, and pick from scratch, blank. Give it a name, and you land in the editor on a totally empty canvas. No steps, no assumptions. Now build it up. On the Steps tab, hit Add Step and choose a kind. Form, info video, thank you, or even book appointment to route visitors straight into your booking page. Switch to fields and add exactly what you need. A label, a field type, mark it required if it matters, and choose where each answer saves to. Reorder steps anytime with one click. Then open Settings, set your primary color, your logo, and a custom redirect URL after submission. Every funnel is fully yours, styled and structured your way. Once it feels right, hit Publish. Your blank canvas is now a live, working funnel, built with zero constraints and zero guesswork. Start yours free at vyroq.com, no credit card, and a 14-day money-back guarantee.